The Petskd large rolling pet carrier offers a unique double compartment design, allowing for the easy transportation of two cats or a medium-sized dog, providing versatility for pet owners. The carrier's suitcase-style handle and high-quality detachable wheels ensure smooth and effortless movement, making visits to the vet or travel more convenient. With multiple entry points and breathable mesh windows, this pet carrier ensures excellent ventilation and visibility for your pets, promoting a comfortable travel experience. Safety is a priority with the Petskd carrier, featuring an inside safety strap, car buckle, and locked zippers to prevent escape, along with reflective stripes for added visibility. This carrier also includes thoughtful extras like pet name cards and a shoulder strap, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. Petskd stands behind their product with a 12-month quality assurance and dedicated customer service, ensuring peace of mind for pet owners.